DIY cheek glow. Make this at home.
Hi friends, it's Katie. In this beauty DIY video, I'm going to share with you my top tips for making a really gorgeous dewy cheek hue out of an old lipstick and some coconut oil. So if you have an old lipstick lying around that perhaps you're not wearing too much, that will make the perfect lipstick for this. Now it can be pretty much any colour, but remember you can be wearing it on your cheeks. But that doesn't mean to say you should scare away from choosing really bright, vivid colours, because once they're mixed with the coconut oil, it shears it down and makes it look really pretty and natural. So with your lipstick, remember use one that you're happy to slice a little bit off of. You're simply going to grab a knife and you're going to slice off into a bowl. Now you're going to put this into the microwave for no more than 40 seconds. It's because you don't want this to completely melt. So your lipstick will just be nice and soft and malleable now. Now next you're going to need to take a little pot. Now it could be an old pot that you've got lying around that you've washed out, or something like this, which is actually, I think it's a case for some contact lenses. So in your pot, make sure it's clean, you're going to get some coconut oil. Now make sure your coconut oil is melted. If it's solidified, just simply run it over under some warm water to melt it. So you're going to take the coconut oil, and with a spoon, you're going to spoon the coconut oil into your little pot. Then, with your lipstick that has been heated, you're going to scoop it up and pop it into your pot that has the liquid coconut oil. And then with the end of your spoon, you're simply going to mix it around. So it all becomes one lovely mixture. You want the coconut oil to be completely smooth and free of any lipstick clumps. So I've finished mixing this all up now. Now don't worry if your lipstick looks quite dark, because once it goes onto your cheeks, it will look really sheer and a lot more natural looking. Now before you can use it, you're going to need to put it into the fridge so that it sets and goes solid. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to show you the finished results. So my coconut cheeky blush has now solidified. To apply, we'll need to warm it up with your clean ring finger, and then simply dab onto the apples of your cheeks. And as you dab it, just gently going little circular motions up towards the kind of bit of your ear there. What I love about this is for those days where you don't want to put any makeup on, but you just want your complexion to have a really lovely, luminous dew, this is just perfect. And remember, you can intensify the colour by adding a bit more lipstick in, or perhaps you've got a couple of lipstick colours, you can mix them together and put them in. This one is very natural and I love it, and it's great because not only is it giving me just a flush of colour, the coconut is really treating my skin at the same time with its vitamin E and natural fatty acids. So I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I do, and I'm really loving the results. Gives me a nice little glow. See you soon, bye.